started your sourdough journey. Things you will need: a container, water, whole wheat flour. You can do King Arthur. I would recommend doing King Arthur or a cheaper option, but you do you, boo-boo. Like I said before in the intro video, we're going to be following the Loaf Shack's recipe to a T, to a certain extent. You're going to need about a month, I'm going to say. I'm going to say more time than actually needed. But I would definitely give yourself a month of doing this because this is your new child. You are going to name your sourdough starter. You don't have to, but it's more fun that way. And you're going to feed this thing every day, and then at a certain point you're going to feed it twice a day. And if you forget, it's going to smell different, and you're going to know. So make sure you're feeding this every single day, and then at a certain point, twice a day. You're going to need a container. You're going to need a little stirring thing. You're going to need a little shower cap doohickey or some cloth, that way it can breathe. Do not put a lid on it. If you put a lid on it, it's going to die, or it's going to become moldy, and you're not going to be able to use it. You're going to start off from scratch, in which case, welcome to day one. If you're watching this today, right when I edit and put it online, happy Valentine's Day to those who celebrate. And if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, happy second Saturday in February of 2026. All right, very simple. We are going to take our container. The instructions are going to be on the screen of what ingredients you need: the whole water, holy water, the whole wheat flour, and the water. And I will also put the measurements. It's going to be 50 grams of whole wheat flour and 62 grams of water. I like filtered water because I live in Florida and our water is disgusting. So, I also have a scale and the units of grams. Can I do this upside down? No, we're not going to do it upside down because I would totally screw that up. But, yeah, zero that out. What did I say? 50 grams of whole wheat flour. My favorite part, the whiskey business, except it's not a really whisk, so it's just business. And yeah, probably stirred just a little bit too much, but that's okay. This is what it should look like. Oh yeah, look at it. If you think of a cool name, put it in the comments. But I want it to be a nice rom-com name. I don't know. But we're going to put a little shower cap on it. Boop. And now we're going to put it in a place where my lovely cat cannot reach it. And I am not sponsored, but I will put the link to this little jar thing from Amazon. It's a good deal. It has everything you need. I have the exact same one for our sourdough starter in the fridge. Yeah, just like that. That's day one. We'll see you tomorrow.